Hello friends, welcome to this channel with me VS Sriram under Max Exclusive. Today we are just going to have a walkthrough of polynomials from Algebra Class 10 Mathematics. So please subscribe and also press the bell button for receiving notifications of videos to be posted, and also go through the videos which I already posted in related to mathematics of various classes. So now today we are just going to have a topic from polynomial. So relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. So in this we are going to have around two sums today. So please have this, and any doubts please mention in the comment box. Okay. So now we are going to have this. The first one, the zeros of the polynomial they given. That means f of x equal to s cube minus 3a square plus x plus 1, or a minus b, a plus b. So find a and b. So they are asking this. So you have to find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. So zeros of the polynomial, and they given zeros of the polynomial are a minus b, a plus b. From that you have to find a and b. So, okay. So first we are going to have this. Okay. So see this sum of zeros. First we are going to find sum of zeros formula minus coefficient of s square by coefficient of s cube. Okay. So this sum of zeros is given by this one. Sum of zeros equal to minus coefficient of s square divided by coefficient of s cube. So what you are going to have is sum of zeros means they given the zeros a minus b, a plus b. Just you add this first. Okay. So left side what we are going to do is just add this a minus b, a and a plus b. So when you add, you get a minus b plus a plus b is equal to this minus sign you are putting as it is. Here you get coefficient of a square. So coefficient of a square is minus 3 here. So just you put minus 3. Coefficient of s cube is 1. So you get minus of minus 3 by 1. So that will become 3. Okay. So this is sum of the zeros. Okay. Sum of zeros is given by this. So what you are just going to is just add this. They given the zeros are a minus b, a plus b. You are adding this, and also apply the formula on the right side. Minus coefficient of s square by coefficient of s cube. Just this is the formula we are applying. So minus coefficient of s square is minus 3, coefficient of s cube is 1. So minus of minus 3 gives 3. So, and what about the left hand side? Adding you get 3a, because b will get cancelled, minus b plus b will get cancelled. So a plus a gives 3a equal to 3. So right side you are having 3. So 3a equal to 3 means a equal to 1. So one value you are getting a. So now we have to find for another b. So you have to find also b also. So for that what you are going to do is we are going product of zeros. The formula is given by minus constant by coefficient of s cube. That's the formula. Product of zeros is given by minus constant by coefficient of s cube. So product of zeros will be given by a minus b, just multiplying. Okay, product means multiplication. Just multiply a minus b into a plus b equal to, put the minus sign as it is. Constant is the question here. Polynomial constant is 1, so put 1 minus 1 by coefficient of s cube. S cube coefficient is also 1, so minus 1 by 1 gives minus 1. So product of zeros is this one. Okay, a minus b into a plus b equal to minus 1. Now next step what you are going to do is just multiply this a minus b into a plus b. When you multiplying, yes, this one, a minus b into a plus b is going to be a square minus b square. A will be as it is. So a into a square minus b square equal to minus 1. But already a, here you get a is 1. Okay, that a you are substituting here. A is 1. So 1 into 1 minus b square equal to minus 1. So finally you get 1 minus b square equal to minus 1 you are getting, and minus b square equal to, take 1 to that side, it will become minus 2. So b square equal to 2. So because minus sign will get cancelled, so b square equal to 2. So from that you get b equal to plus or minus root 2. Therefore, what you are getting, already a you got 1, now b also you got now plus or minus root 2. So that gives the solution for this sum. Okay, so we just going to have a small that division of the sum so that you can understand easily. So already they given the zeros of polynomial. Of this polynomial they are given a minus b, a plus b, find a and b. So first we are finding sum of zeros. You know the formula, it is minus coefficient of s square by coefficient of s cube. Just you add everything what they given the zeros. So and also substitute everything coefficient of s cube, coefficient of s cube, you get 3. So finally you get 3a equal to 3, a equal to 1. Next you find product of zeros. Formula is given by minus constant by coefficient of s cube. Product you are just multiply and apply the constant and coefficient of s cube here, so that you can have the next step this one, and you know a minus b into a plus b, say square minus b square. Already a is there, but a you know it is 1 by previous step, so just we are substituting 1 so that you can get b from here. So b square is 2, so b is plus or minus root 2. So now the solution is a is 1, b equal to plus or minus root 2. So that's this is also one of the easiest sums, so that whenever the sum is asked you can write easily in the examination. Now we'll go to one sum. So find the zeros of the polynomial. They given f of x equal to this one. If it is given that product of these two zeros is 12, they given product of two zeros is 12, they given, so that you have to find the other zeros. So all the zeros you have to find now. That means suppose if I take now alpha, beta, gamma be the zeros of the given polynomial. So I am taking these alpha, beta, gamma as the zeros of the polynomial. First let us find sum of zeros, sum of the roots. So sum of the roots is given by minus coefficient of s square by coefficient of s cube, that you know already. So that will be equal to minus 5 by 1. So that gives 5. Okay, so minus 5. So you will get that one 5. Okay, that's the sum of the zeros or zeros. So actually it is zeros, but okay. So that one sum of zeros. Okay, I will write zeros here. So sum of the zeros we are finding. So sum of zeros already you know this one minus coefficient of square by coefficient of s cube. So you get formula, you know, that minus 5 that you know from the sum, and coefficient of s cube is 1, so you get 5. So that means alpha plus beta plus gamma so equal to 5. Since we are taking alpha, beta, gamma as the zeros of the polynomial, so alpha plus, because sum of the zeros is 5, you are getting alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. Now you know this one alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, this given by the formula coefficient of s by coefficient of s cube. So this product taken, these two are the two zeros at a time and the sum. Okay, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, coefficient of s by coefficient of s cube, but coefficient of x is given by minus 2, coefficient of s cube is 1 from the question given, so that will be equal to minus 2. So you are getting alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is minus 2. Now product of zeros, so that you know already, alpha beta gamma equal to minus constant by coefficient of s cube equal to minus constant is 24 by coefficient of s cube is 1, so we get minus 24. So you are finding everything. So why we are finding is so that you can solve the for alpha beta gamma. So next step, now already given sum of two zeros, product of two zeros is 12. That means alpha into beta equal to 12. So they given already this one, but already you got alpha beta gamma equal to minus 24. Okay, this is the product of zeros. In this you substitute for this alpha beta 12. 12 gamma equal to minus 24. Gamma is minus 2. But we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5. That you know it is from the sum of the roots. alpha plus beta gamma is minus 2, you are substituting equal to 5. So alpha plus beta equal to minus 2, take to that side, it will give 7. So you get alpha plus beta equal to 7. So now let us find for alpha minus beta, so that you can solve for this alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta to get alpha and beta as a solution. So we know this formula already. Alpha minus beta whole square is given by alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So you have to remember this formula. So whenever you are having alpha plus beta, for to find alpha minus for alpha minus beta, you can use this formula in most of the sums it will come. So now alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square, it will become 7 square minus 4 into alpha beta is 12, so you substitute 12. So alpha minus beta whole square is 7 square is 49 minus 48 gives 1. So alpha minus beta, so this is whole square is 1, so alpha minus beta is given by taking square root is plus or minus 1. Now what you're going to do is you just solve these equations. Alpha plus beta is 7 and alpha minus beta is, you are having plus or minus 1. So you take first plus 1 and solve this, and after that take minus 1, again solve this. Okay. So solving, definitely you will get, after solving you get alpha is 4, beta is 3 when you solve these two equations. Suppose if we take these two equations, so alpha plus beta is 7, alpha minus beta minus, as usual you can solve easily, and solving you get alpha is 3, beta is 4. Okay, so those who get the answer, please comment in the box so that I can know that you are getting this. Alpha is 4, beta is 3 and alpha is 3, beta is 4. So hence the zeros are so given by 3, 4, minus 2. That means alpha is 3, beta is 4. But gamma already you got minus 2. So you put minus, that's all the zeros, we got the answer. Okay. So this also important sum which you can easily can do in the board examination. So just we just have a revise of the question. Okay. Oh. Now we are having the zeros of the polynomial. So find the zeros of the polynomial f of x, given that product of its two zeros is 12. That means, suppose if I take an alpha beta gamma, alpha beta is given as 12. You have to know that. So, okay, the product of its two zeros means alpha into beta is 12. They given. Now I am taking alpha beta gamma as two zeros of the polynomial. So first let us find sum of zeros. You know the formula, minus coefficient of s square by coefficient of s cube, and just substitute from the, you find everything, s square coefficient of s square coefficient of substitute, you get 5. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. Now you take two zeros and sum, so that means product of two zeros and sum. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, formula is given by coefficient of s by coefficient of s cube. That means minus 2 by 1 you will get minus 2. Now product of zeros, alpha beta gamma formula, minus constant by coefficient of s cube equal to minus this 24, constant is 24, coefficient of s cube 1, so you get minus 24. First you find everything, all these things. So sum of the roots, then two roots sum taken in order, and also product of the roots. So first these steps you have to complete. Next step, just you have to solve for alpha beta. Okay, alpha beta gamma you have to solve. So alpha beta is 12. You know alpha beta gamma already you got minus 24. Substitute this alpha beta is 12, so that you got gamma equal to minus 2. Now we know that already we got alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5. Now you substitute for gamma, so that you get alpha plus beta equal to 7. Now for this you have to find alpha minus beta, so that you can solve these two to get alpha and beta. For that you have to use this formula, very important. This formula, just to note down this formula, very important. Alpha minus beta whole square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now we are substituting this alpha plus beta and alpha beta here, so that you can get alpha minus beta whole square is 1, so that you get alpha minus beta equal to plus or minus 1. Now we have to solve these equations. Alpha plus beta is 7, already you got. Alpha minus beta is 1, now you got. First you take one positive value, so that just to solve this and you get alpha equal to 4, beta equal to 3. So if you got the answer, please comment. that you and say that you got this answer. And also if you don't get the answer, even I will tell in the next class how to solve this. Next, alpha plus beta is 7 and alpha minus beta is -1 you are taking. Now we are solving these two. Again you have to solve these two equations so that you get alpha is 3, beta is 4. Now the zeros are everywhere. You can see that 4, 3 and 3, 4 they are repeating. Now therefore now the zeros are 3, 4 and -2. So that gives the solution of this problem. So I hope that you understand these two sums very easily today. And uh, so please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button so that you can have the notifications of videos to be posted in the further videos to come. Okay, so even please go through the videos which I already posted regarding to these polynomials. Everything is there, so please go through the channel thoroughly and go through the videos, other videos also. So I'll be signing off this YouTube. With me we have Sriram under the Max exclusive, and we'll meet you shortly in the next video. Until then, bye bye.